Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Coinbase Wallet app. First, download the app from your phone's app store. Once installed, you'll either create a brand new wallet or import an existing one using your 12-word recovery phrase. It's absolutely critical to write down and securely store this phrase offline. It's the only way to recover your funds. Take a moment to explore the main dashboard, which shows your assets, and the navigation tabs at the bottom. Sending and receiving cryptocurrency is straightforward. To receive, simply tap the Receive button to display your unique wallet address and QR code. You can share this with anyone who wants to send you crypto. For sending, tap Send. Then input the recipient's wallet address and the amount. Always double-check the address and ensure you're on the correct network to avoid losing your funds. Transaction fees, known as gas, will apply. The Coinbase Wallet app isn't just for holding crypto. It's your gateway to the decentralized web. Use the integrated D-app browser to explore and interact with thousands of decentralized applications, from DeFi protocols to blockchain games. You can also view and manage your non-fungible tokens, or NFT, right within the app. Easily connect your wallet to popular NFT marketplaces to buy, sell, or trade your digital collectibles. Protecting your assets is paramount. Your 12-word recovery phrase is the master key to your funds. Never share it with anyone, under any circumstances. Enable biometric security, such as fingerprint or Face ID, for an extra layer of protection and convenient access. Always be vigilant against phishing scams and suspicious links. Remember, Coinbase Wallet is a self-custody wallet, meaning you are solely responsible for its security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.